In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a knowledge base in Relevance AI. By the end, you'll have a knowledge source created and linked to an agent so it can use your information in conversations. Start by opening the Relevance AI app. Once you're in your workspace, look over to the left-hand sidebar. That's where you'll find all the main sections you'll use to organize data and build agents. Click Knowledge to open the knowledge area. If this is your first time here, you'll see a prompt to create your first knowledge. Go ahead and click Create Your First Knowledge. You'll be asked how you want to start. Choose blank. This option gives you a clean slate, perfect when you want full control over the structure and naming of your knowledge without importing anything yet. Next, name your table. Think of this as the container for your knowledge base. A clear, descriptive name makes it easier to recognize later, especially if your workspace grows. For example, include the topic and audience or use a version tag if you expect updates. Type your knowledge base name into the field provided, then click Create Table. Relevance AI will create the table and open it so you can manage it from one place. With the table ready, connect it to an agent so it can actually use the knowledge. Click Add to Agent. You'll be shown a list of agents in your workspace. Choose the agent you want to power with this knowledge. If you have multiple agents for different use cases, pick the one that should reference the specific content. You'll now select how the agent uses the knowledge. You have two options. Add all to prompt inserts the entire knowledge content directly into the agent's prompt each time. This is simple and works best for small, concise knowledge that rarely changes, but it can increase token usage. Allow agent to search RAG enables retrieval augmented generation. The agent will dynamically search the knowledge base and pull in only the most relevant pieces at answer time. Choose this when your knowledge is larger or frequently updated and you want scalable, focused retrieval. Finally, verify with tools. Open the Agents Tools section and confirm that knowledge is enabled and that your newly created table appears as a connected source. You should also see that the usage mode matches the option you selected. If anything looks off, return to knowledge, recheck the connection, and save your changes. That's it. You've created a blank knowledge base, named it clearly, connected it to an agent, chosen the right usage mode, and confirmed everything through tools. Thanks for watching and happy building.